What is up, guys? Vincent here, and today I am going to be replacing the jockey wheels on my Ultegra. This is a 9-speed rear derailleur, and the issue that you can see here is that many miles of wear and tear have caused a lot of the meat around the teeth of these jockey wheels to kind of break down. And so this is what a newer rear derailleur looks like. You can see how much more meat these have on it, and it's really bad. People call this shark teeth or shark tooth, and it's very pointy, and it causes you to get premature chain wear. So what we're going to be doing today is replacing the jockey wheels, and I do believe it is as simple as just taking a 3mm Allen wrench and unscrewing these things. And once we take this thing out, if I can do this with one hand, this bolt just comes out. It looks like there is some kind of anti-seize on this, and the old jockey wheel just kind of slides out like this, and that's it. So that is surprisingly easy. Now it looks like you just replace the whole thing. This comes out, and you can kind of see the bearings inside. But yeah, so this definitely is worn down a lot, so I'm going to put in a new one. We're going to do the same thing on this other side, and it should be pretty straightforward. So I hope this helps. Taking out these rear derailleurs and fixing these jockey wheels is really not too big of a job. Hopefully this helps anyone who needs to do this for your own bike. This should also help you get better shift quality, as the chain is going to stay on better if you have better cogs back here. So let me know if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.